In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use labels in Google Calendar, specifically using color labels to effectively track your calendar entries. By the end of this instructional guide, you'll know how to customize your calendar in a way that's visually intuitive and helps you stay on top of your schedule with ease. To begin, let's head over to your Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to calendar.google.com. We all have different calendars for various aspects of our lives, like work, personal, or family activities. It's incredibly helpful to use labels to differentiate these at a glance. On the left side of your Google Calendar, you'll see a panel labeled My Calendars. Hover your cursor over the calendar you'd like to customize. Next to the calendar name, you'll notice three vertical dots, often referred to as the More option, located right beside it. Clicking on these dots will reveal a menu where you can begin to personalize your calendar by choosing a color. You will have several preset options readily available. If you find that none of these suit your style or needs, you can click the plus sign to access a spectrum of custom colors. Personalizing the color can make your calendar not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. Once you've selected your desired color, ensure you click Save to apply this change. Now that you have customized your calendar color, let's move on to assigning colors to specific events, a step that's particularly useful for managing multiple types of commitments. Begin by creating a new event or selecting an existing one by hovering your mouse over it. When you want to change the color of this event, simply right-click on it. A choice of available colors will pop up for you. Choose a new color from these options that best aligns with the type of event it is. For instance, you might designate blue for work meetings, signaling a professional context, green for personal appointments, to indicate more leisurely activities, and red for deadlines, which can act as eye-catching reminders of urgency. With these colors assigned, you're now able to visually categorize your calendar entries. This visual sorting can significantly enhance how you manage your time and prioritize activities throughout the day. And that's it! You've successfully set up color labels in Google Calendar, so there you have it. Creating and using color labels in Google Calendar is a simple yet powerful way to enhance the organization of your daily tasks. It not only provides a clear and colorful overview of your commitments, but also allows you to track what's truly important in a glance. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.